Linda with Center for Gifted, and today I'm doing a quick acids and bases experiment. So an acidic solution will have a higher concentration of hydrogen ions, and that's expressed as H+. And it also has lost an electron and it just has a proton. So it has acidic solutions have an electrical charge. A basic solution has hydroxide ions, which is expressed as OH. And a pH scale is used to determine how basic or acidic a solution is. So a basic solution will have a scale of a 2, 4, 6. An acidic solution will actually be 7 or above on the pH scale. So you can kind of see the color chart here. Now, we use litmus paper to determine the pH scale of a substance. So we would just put this little piece of paper in here and it would tell us exactly how acidic or basic a solution is. Another way to do this is to use cabbage juice. So I made this solution by just boiling cabbage leaves and in hot water, boiling it. And now I can use this solution the same way I can use a litmus test and determine how acidic or basic a solution is. So today I'm going to test lemon juice, vinegar, milk, and baking soda and see where these substances fit on this scale. So I'm going to just take some of my cabbage solution and all I'm going to do is add it to the lemon juice. Okay. And now I'm going to add it to my vinegar. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it to my milk. And then add it to my baking soda. Okay. So now when we look at these colors, so this is my lemon juice, and my lemon juice is a pinkish red. So we know this is a very basic solution. This is closer to this end of the scale. So this is a base, and then you can see how red this vinegar is. Actually, a little bit is spilled in there, but how red this is. But now once we get to the milk, we can see that it's really a lighter color, much more neutral, starting to work our way towards that acid. Maybe not there yet, still a little pinkish. But then once we get to the baking soda, you can see that it's very bluish green. So that would probably fall into that 8 level on our pH scale. It would be an 8. So that is kind of a very simplified version of acids and bases. A really good experiment that kind of shows an acid and a base coming together and kind of neutralizing is adding baking soda to vinegar. And so that's a really fun experiment to do at home if you have time. And thank you so much for joining me today.